I'm upgrading my editing setup. So tag along, listen in, let's have some fun, and let's get this done. Stay tuned. I use my iPad for all my editing, all my videos, all my thumbnails, all my audio work. Everything is done on the iPad for me. I just find it easy and simple. Now, with that said, it's time for an upgrade. I've had the iPad Pro for a few years now. I really enjoyed it, but I really look forward to a brand new iPad. So the upgrade is from, as you can see here, the 9-inch M1 to the 13-inch M4. So what a big difference. What a big change. Really excited about it. That comes with some new accessories. There's a new pencil because of the new camera layout. I grabbed a new docking station because I use that quite a bit. Also, I like the Paperlike cover. I don't like the glare. And it's easier when using the pencil for any artistic work. So I also grabbed a Otterbox case for the iPad 2 as well, right off the Apple website. All these products are from the Apple website, so they're all compatible. That's one thing I wanted to make sure, because sometimes searching around and grabbing things off Amazon, you plug them in, they don't work. These will work. They came from Apple, made for Apple. So why the upgrade? A couple different reasons why. Number one, I did break the screen on the old iPad. When I did, I had that replaced with an aftermarket screen. It just hasn't worked right ever since. So I wanted to upgrade. I didn't trade that one in. We kept it. But I wanted to upgrade so I had a better experience with this screen. Number two, M4. I really wanted a faster iPad. Sometimes while using the apps, if I have multiple videos in the app that I'm editing at the same time, it will slow down. It's frozen up on me a couple times, and I've lost a video or two and had to start all over. So not cool. So I wanted to make sure I had that taken care of. Number three was storage. So storage became a little bit of an issue on the old iPad. I had 250 gigs, and I would max that out every once in a while. I'd have to run through it, delete some stuff to give myself more room to get all the clips in for the next video. So I have 500 gigs on my phone, and I've never run out of space. So I said 500 must be the number I need on my iPad 2. So far so good. I've had this iPad for about 4 months now, and I absolutely love it. Couple different reasons why I love it. Number one, it's fast. Number two, I don't have any issues with space. I didn't need a terabyte, but 500 gigs works great. And then also, it's actually lighter. Well, it feels lighter than the old 9-inch. The old 9-inch really felt like a brick. It would hurt my hand while I'm sitting on the couch holding it, doing some editing or watching some YouTube. It would be a little cumbersome. The new one, it's a little bigger. It took a little getting used to the bigger size, but I absolutely love it. I'm truly happy with the upgrade, and I'm happy I went with the larger size, and it's thinner and lighter. So a lot of wins here. I'm the type that trusts in brands, so I know there's a lot of different screen protectors you can get. I got the Paperlike for when I use the Apple Pencil with the Procreate app, and I just really liked it. So I tried with it, so now I'm sticking with that brand, and that's what I'm going with. Also, Anker. I grabbed that Anker docking station. I was really happy to see that on the Apple website because I really like Anker products. I have at least a dozen different Anker products at my home. So use Anker all the time. Trusted brand, and I'm going to stick with them. So I mentioned that I use applications on my iPad to do all my editing. I know it sounds like, hey, Probably not the best idea. It really works out great for me. I tried the software. I have a special laptop just for editing. It just didn't work out for me. It wasn't what I was looking for. So I found the InShot app. I actually subscribe to that app, so I get all the features, which is awesome. So I use that app for all my editing, and it really works out great. Simple, easy to use, no issues at all, and it's 5 times easier with the larger screen on this new iPad. So excited about that. Epidemic Sound. I use that for the music. I have a subscription there too as well. And then Canva for any artistic thumbnails or any other artistic things that I need to do. Also, I have the subscription for that too as well. So with the subscription, it just unlocks a lot of features so that you can really get the most out of these apps. So that's really pretty much it and what I use on this iPad. So happy editing. I really enjoy the ease of Apple. I've always, every time I get a new phone, new iPad, whatever, I just let it transfer from one to the other. I don't bother trying to upload to the cloud and do all that stuff. So just works out easiest and best for me. Now we've come to the end of the video, but it's really not the end. If you haven't upgraded your iPad, I recommend you do. The new ones are really great. So like I said, I got 3 months in and I can't get enough of it. Absolutely love it. Just wanted to share. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.